seems like today tech adoption would be, a no-brainer. But sometimes there are, just like this person said, old retail companies who are still struggling when it comes to digital experiences. Why do you think that is? What are the holdouts? Is it just budget? Is it, change is hard? Is it, decision by committee? What are you seeing that the reasons or the blockers that people still are holding out?
Yeah, well, you just hit on a bunch of them. I think you've got the right idea there. I think that nobody is out there saying we're not investing at all in technology. Right? Everybody's got technology. The question is, what should they do next? And I think that, of course, anytime you want to drive change, that means risk. And there's always people that are averse to risk. And that's not unreasonable. Of course, budget's always an obstacle, and it should be an obstacle because we should only spend money in a business if it's going to have a meaningful impact. I think a lot of companies don't have a clear vision of what is the experience they really need to create in order to be more successful. I think some companies have a problem with their technology stack, and they know that there's a experience they'd like to deliver, but it feels like nobody's career is long enough to get to where they need to go, to get out of the legacy debt, to deal with the technology. Sometimes it's personalities. There's people who, are very powerful within an organization who, over their cold, dead body, will we get rid of Siebel or whatever, and it becomes a barrier. There's lots of reasons, and so on and so on. But it's not a game for the faint of heart.